I wanted to show everybody a test of the PNP Slayer exciter circuit that I use. As you can see, we got a beautiful breakout. We're only at 32.6 volts here. The light up on the light goes for a great distance. We are close to 4 feet right here, right over by the power source. It gets super bright here next to the coil. As you can see, this is a very, very powerful circuit, and we're not even at full power yet. And turn this thing down about 13, 14 volts. And you can see the distance here, although the breakout went down, the distance in the light is still fairly good. This is the actual PNP circuit right here. You get a nice fan in there so that it cools everything down. And you get the power source that goes off to whatever power source you choose. You can just take a 24 volt, a 12 volt, or a 36 volt and just plug it in right here to one of these, and you'll be just fine. Or you can get this power source here, which is adjustable. As you can see, the fan's always on, it's always running. We keep it a distance away from the actual Tesla coil here. As you can see, the reason for that being that the circuit on a Slayer exciter, because it has no choke on it, will actually try to resonate everything in the room, including the power source. So you have to keep it a bit of a distance away from the actual Tesla coil. This is the breakout you get at 36 volts. And the field you get from it is between 4 and 5 feet, depending on which coil you use. If you use one of my coils, you're looking at least 4 to 5 feet, maybe a little bit more. But it's an absolutely beautiful setup that works in this Slayer exciter circuit. And it can go like this all day. Has no problem running it at 36 volts as long as you want it to run. I just wanted to thank everybody for taking a look at the PNP Slayer exciter circuit. It's got more power than an NPN circuit by at least 10 volts. Anybody who purchases this will be more than satisfied with it. As long as you keep it a good distance away from the actual coil, you'll have no problem with this circuit whatsoever. Thank you very much, and have yourself a great day.